Welcome friends. In this video I am going to discuss you about upper and lower. If your string present in lower case when you using is upper, it will be returned to the upper, and it is lower, it's going to be lower, and check whether it is a lower form, whether it is a upper form, and returns the true. If it is a lower form, it returns to the false. Sorry, if is upper returns you true when all that characters are in uppercase, and is lower when it returns the true when all the characters in the lower. Okay, fine, it's return you true. It's not converted to the true, converted to the characters to the upper and lower. Okay, means upper will be changes to lower by help of the lower function, and lower will be changes to the upper by help of the upper function. It only returns the true case, not is going to be converted that particular string to the particular form, another form, lower to upper, upper to lower. Fine, so let's see how it is going to be work. Text equal to, within text I will write a LingarajTechhub. Lingaraj Tech Hub. Now print text dot isupper yes, it is return you true. Now I will write print text dot islower. Now it returns the false. Yes, the given text is not in the lower form. If I changes any single character to the lower, what happened? See, both are false. Means all the characters should be in the block letter or in capital case. Then it returns to the is upper as a true, because it returns you true, and if it's valid. And in the case of is lower, I will write another time and in the form of lower. Fine. Now it returns now true. Fine, it returns true because is when it added any function before this, then it returns you only boolean data, means valid, true or false sense. Okay, it is not converted to the uppercase to the lower, lower to the upper. Okay, keep remember is upper only check the given text in the upper form, yeah, capital case form or not. And just like in the lower case, lower also check that the given text in the present in small case or not. If it present in a small case, it returns you true. If it is not present in a small case, it's going to be written as a false. Fine. Now let's run another time, that is your last time, and see. Yes, it returns you true. Fine. That's it. If you have any doubt, go through the comment box, type there. Please like this video and share with your friends, that will help them also. Please subscribe this channel, click on the bell icon. When I upload on future videos, you will get any notifications. Thank you.